If you are planning to visit a new destination that feels fresh, vibrant, and full of energy, this video is for you. In Ahmedabad, the Spectra Art and Technology Museum has emerged as a new hub of art and futuristic innovation. It is India's first multi-sensory museum, offering visitors a 90-minute journey filled with technology, creativity, and immersive sensory experiences. From interactive rooms and light installations to glass worlds, illusions, and tactile experiences, everything comes under one roof. Each installation responds to the audience. Touching the walls creates different effects based on the theme. The most exciting feature is where visitors can scan their own drawings or writings and watch them come alive as animated visuals on the walls, a memorable treat for both children and adults. Ticket prices range from 1,799 rupees to 4,999 rupees. The individual access ticket includes entry to all installations, free parking, locker, and Wi-Fi. The VIP access offers priority entry, a 2-hour hosted tour, snacks, a gift, and a 20% discount on merchandise. After visiting Spectra, tourists can explore several nearby attractions. Science City offers an exciting experience for families. Akshardham Temple is known for its mesmerizing evening water show. And Kankaria Lakefront is a perfect spot for leisure and entertainment. No visit to Ahmedabad is complete without tasting its local flavors. Travelers can enjoy authentic Gujarati thalis at Agashiye or Gordhan Thal. The best time to explore Ahmedabad is from October to February. Ahmedabad also offers excellent stay options, from Hotel Indar Residency in Narayani Heights Hotel and Resort to well-known brands like Le Meridian and Sarovar Portico. Spectra is not just a museum, it is an entry into a world where art, science, and imagination merge into one immersive universe. For anyone who loves creativity, technology, and new age experiences, Spectra is truly a must-visit.